What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. You're on S Motorsports. Today I got something pretty fun for you, and I'm excited about it. We got a Rotofab intake, starting of performance mods for the Camaro. If you guys are not subscribed to the channel, if you could please do so, I would greatly appreciate it. As like I said, I got more content coming for the Camaro, and hopefully can work on the Trans Am as well this winter. So if you are subscribed, thank you for the support, and like I said, let's jump to it. All right, guys, so we're gonna do an unboxing of this as well, just so you kind of get an idea. I have not even opened it yet. I took a peek, but haven't opened it. But first, let's get a little drink here. I got a bunch of stuff in here. Need a little caffeine. All right, so let's take a look. Sorry for the fan noise a little bit in the back, but it is cold out here, gotta run the heaters. I mean, I took a peek, like I said already, a little bit, but haven't really pulled anything out. But everything looks very nicely packaged. I kind of pulled this tube out before, and I thought this was pretty spectacular how they wrap that tube in a little, you know, covering and then wrap it in saran wrap. I mean, it's not gonna get damaged, so that's pretty nice. Then obviously, we got some instructions. Oh, block off plate, need that. Because as you can tell, I got the dry filter, and then with the sound tube delete. Make room for all this stuff. What else do we got in here? And then this is the connection pipe where the mass airflow sensor goes. So yeah, very nicely packaged. That's it. Take a peek at the stock intake. Obviously, you know, it does its job for the rated power, but I'm looking for a little bit of an increase. And obviously Roto-Fab is kind of the one to get. So we're gonna be removing the sound tube and obviously replacing this whole thing. So looking forward to getting that installed, and I think it looks way better with the Roto-Fab from pictures I've seen. So I'm excited to get this on the car. Obviously it's December here, so I'm not really gonna be able to drive the car, but you know, working on getting everything installed this winter and then having some fun this spring. I will be tuning the car as well, so that's going to be new to me, but I got some buddies that are pretty good at it, so I will be using HP tuners as my plan. So all right, let's jump into it. So let's get everything unpackaged here, see how it looks. And they got everything nicely sealed up. Ooh, yeah. I mean, this just looks good. Holy crap. I mean, God, it just looks nice. Big old filter. Like I said, I went with the dry filter. My reasoning is, I don't know, I kind of like the look a little bit better. You know, I'm not normally I would get the oil filter, but with this car, I know that, you know, they say if you over oil the filter, you know, you can damage the MAF, and I just didn't really care to deal with that. And for how many miles I'm going to put on this car, this filter will last, you know, 10 years. So when it's done and dirty, I'll just get a new one. But take a look at this box. I mean, this is pretty high quality. That is a nice thick, you know, that's pretty good. That's probably like an at least an 1/8 inch. You know, I'm not gonna measure it, but little grommets for it to fit into. I mean, it feels pretty sturdy. I mean, it's solid. I mean, just look at that. Making most of their area that they can use. Obviously, that's just a nice finishing touch. Looks good. Yeah, I'm excited. If you can't tell. Okay, guys, I just kind of want to show you the instructions that they send with. I mean, this is not even like it's cheap paper. I mean, this is nice, like laminated paper. But as you can see, the instructions are nice color pictures. So I'm not gonna get into every detail, because if you order this kit, obviously you're gonna get, you know, these instructions as well. They have all the tools you're gonna need and everything that comes with it. I mean, this is gonna walk me right through it, and I will read these. So let's buzz through that. We'll get to subbing this box up. Ooh, wow, that's a book. We'll get to subbing this box up and get going on the install. All right, let's have at her. All right, now time to pop this guy in. Oh, everything looks good out of the way. MAF sensor is out of the way. So we'll slide this guy in, pop it into its grommets. Make sure everything is getting lined up. Looks better already. All right, let's get that filter in there. Well guys, got her all installed, and I must say, it looks really good. I mean, it looks way better than stock, in my opinion. Got the sound tube is out of there. Kind of cleans it up a lot more. Don't have as much hosing going back there. And obviously, kind of with this filter design, probably, you can't hear it anyways. My exhaust is gonna be loud enough anyways where it's not really gonna matter. But yeah, I mean, it installed pretty easy. Instructions were great. Yeah, it went together really good. Everything clicked into place, and I mean, you really can't ask for an easier install. We'll get some sound clips here, start it up, make sure we don't have any check engine lights, but yeah, I don't anticipate a problem. Looks really good. Obviously, this is the start of some performance mods. I might have something else coming here that's 95 millimeters, maybe an intake that rhymes with LT2 off of a Corvette. Yeah, it's gonna be good. So I'm looking forward to getting those parts on as well. And you know, making a little bit more power, getting it tuned, seeing what this thing can do. So stay tuned, make sure to subscribe, and give it a big thumbs up if you like the content today. And thanks for joining in.